Hi everyone, I'm Suyok from Online Help Guide, and in this video, I will show you how to add money or funds to Bitget Wallet account. Adding funds to your wallet is essential for making trades or transactions in the platform. So, let's get started on how to add money or funds to Bitget Wallet account. First, open the Bitget app on your device. Tap on the Assets option from the bottom right corner of your screen. Next, tap on the Add Funds option to proceed. You will see different options to add funds. For this guide, tap on the Credit Card or Debit Card option. Now, enter the amount of money you want to deposit in your Bitget wallet. Finally, tap on the Buy button to complete your transaction. And this is how you can add money or funds to Bitget wallet account. Thank you for watching Online Help Guide. Hope this video was helpful. If it was, then hit the like button and comment down if you have any questions or feedback. Also, if you are new to our channel, please subscribe and hit the bell icon so that you won't miss out upcoming videos.